Kenner. And I was down bad, got my bands up, got off the block, and I copied a camera.
Yo, chat, what's up? Look, I know it's different, but today we're doing a car video. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm gonna be working on my car today. I gotta do an oil change, and I gotta replace 2 of my oil sensors. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm gonna just record myself doing that. So y'all, if y'all know how to change the oil on that, if you don't know, we have a Buick, my account. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you feel me? So we will be doing the oil on this today and changing the oil sensor. I have 2 oil sensors that I gotta change. That sits on top of the engine bay. That sits on top of this right here. It sits on top of the engine bay, but in order for me to get to it, I got to remove this cover. They lose that bolt right there and remove the cover to get to it. So yeah, and do the oil. Change the oil up. You feel me? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Show you what that means, so you gotta stay tuned. And yeah, let's get it. Alright, so look, like I said, we gotta remove the cover on this, right here. Right here, but I'm gonna use my extender. Boom, put that on. And we're gonna use this. Got a 13 by 32. Yeah, 13 by 32. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna unscrew this bolt right here. Just like so. It should come off easy if it ain't tight. See me? And what I like to do. So yeah, what I like to do is I like to grab the extender and the 13 by 32 and just use it as a screwdriver and just twist it out. Trying with one hand. But yeah, twist it out. Just like that. And you put it off to the side. And also you gotta take the oil cap off. Take your oil cap off. And it's that simple. Get under the engine. Just like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the 2 sensors that I'm gonna be replacing, which is these 2 sensors right here. Which controls the oil flow, so the oil can flow through the engine, so your car can run properly. So yeah, so I'm gonna be replacing these 2, and also doing a oil change at that. So yeah, so we're gonna be changing the oil filter and draining the oil, which is at the bottom. But if you got a Buick like me, you're gonna have to take loose 4 screws to get to the actual drainage of the oil. It sits under this cover right here. So you gotta take loose this cover, get to that oil drain that you're right there. So yeah. It ain't that hard. So yeah. So whatever you want to drain your oil in, get a bucket, old bucket or something that you're not using. And yeah, we're gonna do that, change the oil. I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil. I got the parts for the replacements coming. Got some oil coming and waiting on the filter to come. And once all that come, we're gonna get to it. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Also, if y'all like me doing a car video, this is something different. I know I'm not sitting at the desk doing reaction videos, but I just want to do something different and show y'all my precious. Like I said, this is 2013 Buick Verano. Black interior, black outside. You know what I'm saying? Them on my trunk. Let me grab a water. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, and yeah, we're gonna get into it. And also, don't mind my battery. I know my battery missing. That's because I had to get another battery. My battery went dead actually. So we got a battery coming also. So yeah, I'll wait for all these parts to get delivered, and gonna get into it. No cap. Alright, chat. So boom, I got everything. We got the oil filter. We got the intake and exhaust oil sensors. They gotta be replaced right here. Oil. And yeah, that's it. So first I'm gonna start on these. I'm gonna start by taking these. You feel me? Alright. So I'm gonna start by taking these and pulling those out. You know what I mean? So we're gonna start by pulling these out, putting the new ones in. You gotta oil them down. You feel me? Go like that. You got 2 bolts down here. One right there and one right there that you gotta take loose to pull both of them out. You know what I mean? And then after that, then we're gonna do the oil change. After, like I said, you got the oil. You gotta replace this oil filter right here with the new one. As y'all can see. With that, oh, about to lose a ring. Don't want to lose this because you gotta replace the old one with this one. You know what I mean? Can't lose this. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that being said, let's get started. So like I said, it's the same size. Shit, I forgot the name of this. But I'm gonna use a 13 by 32 to take both of these screws out. You know what I'm saying? I already pre-loosened them. Cause they already, so you hand tight these, you don't tighten them all the way. Both on the hand tighten. So yeah, it should be, oh, that one not. There you go. So yeah, get this one. All right, you should be able to take them out with your hands. Just like so. Yeah, fast. So just like that. You gotta rub on that thing. Alright, so there's one. So let me get back to y'all once I get the other one out and once I pull those 2 out. Once I pull those 2 out and you ready to put the second one in, so we're gonna come back. Alright. Alright, chat, so we got both of them, the old ones out, as you can see here. See here. Gotta put those out. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in. I find a way to pop my phone up at. So we're gonna put those in. And yeah. So we're gonna put these in. Make sure y'all oil the bottom, okay? Make sure you lube it up. Not too much, but lube it up. You don't want to go in dry because that's gonna cause friction. Alright.
Type shit.
Alright. Yeah, that one okay. This is gonna be the one for the exhaust. You know what I'm saying? See? This is gonna be the one for the exhaust. Nah, I mean, it's gonna be the replacement for this one. If you get confused, they're labeled at the top. You feel me? It say EST, and at the top it say EST right there. If y'all can see it. So yeah, these two gonna be replacement. What you wanna do is get a little bit of oil and rub it around the barrel. Just like so. Just like so. And then you'll put it in the intake, which is go right here. Just like so. So they go right there. And it comes with a new screw. Just like that. Alright. And same with the intake. You do the same with the intake one. And do that. Make sure you do that. Glue the bottom, and it's very simple. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Get them screwed down, put it in, and I'll be back with y'all. Alright, chat, we got the new ones in. Put the clamps back on. Got them screwed down, wrenched tight. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, boom, now we finna do the oil change. Which is, we gotta get under the car. If you hear me. So let's grab a bucket and a socket. Let's get under the car and do it. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, chat, so now I'm finna change the filter. As I can see, took the ring off. This the old filter. That's nasty. So, yeah, a new filter right here. Nah, man. So we're gonna take this, put it on here. Oh no, I gotta put the ring on first. Let's put the ring on. And some of y'all asking why I ain't got gloves on. Man, you been it. Alright, so now we get the filter. Push it down till you hear a click. Once you hear that click, then you locked in. Alright. So now, once you got that, then you want to put it back. See that? Put it in there. And you good to go. Make sure it's tight. You don't want to lose. Make sure it's tight. Then as you put the filter in, you want to get on the car, drain the oil, put the new oil in. You want to put the right recommended oil that's on your oil cap. So if you don't know what oil to use, it's right on the oil cap. See, mine's at 5W30. SAE 5W30. That's the recommended oil you want to use. So yeah, make sure you use the right oil so you don't mess up your engine. Or that's gonna be another problem. So yeah, right now I'm gonna jack the car up, get on it, and drain the oil. So yeah, I'll be back with y'all when I get the car jacked up and yeah. Alright, chat. We got the car jacked up and everything. So now smooth this cap. Get on it and let's drain it. So yeah, let's get on there and drain it. Yeah. Alright, chat. We finished the oil change, but I'm warning y'all, please don't be like me. Please get a proper oil bucket so you won't end up like this. Yeah, now I gotta clean this, and it's not fun. So yeah, make sure y'all get a proper oil bucket, or you're gonna be like me. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, everything, car's running fine. You get what I'm saying now? Yeah. But yeah, if y'all want more car content or want to see me do anything else to my car, y'all let me know, cause I sure will do it. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and with that being said, it's your boy TrendinFatboii, and I'm out. Gang.
With the cannon, and I was down bad, got my bands up, right off the block, and I caught me a camera. Bolster up, big bag like Santa, making me nervous. My shooters gon' blam up. If it's